I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it. I'm gonna steal it. I steal the motorcycle. I steal the motorcycle. I steal it. Oh, there's people. There's people. Hey, kid. Ooh. Here, I feel it. 8 miles an hour. 8 miles an hour. Hee hee hee. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Holy shit. Fuck yeah. Hey, dumbass. Fuck you. Holy shit. I'm in 3rd fucking gear. Left my blinker on. Holy shit. Okay, this would be a good time to tell about how to ride on the highway. And this video is going to be for Shinjaejune. Sweetheart, I told you I'd make it. And luckily I was on a sport bike now, so I figured I'd go ahead and make it since I ain't rode the Virago in a while. But basically what you want to do is you want to keep a good lookout of what's going on throughout the entire time you're riding. And, you know, whenever you get on the highway, go ahead and rev out a little bit, get up to speed. And you know, you want to keep, you basically want to keep your head on a fucking turret. You want to watch everything that's going on to make sure nobody's around you that's going to fucking cut you off or some shit. And this bike is nimble. And, you know, just fucking, no matter what you do, you want to be able to compensate for something somebody else does. And what that means is whenever you think somebody's going to cut you off or something, take it. Okay, I just went to 105 like it wasn't nothing. You want to take every precaution you can to ensure that you're not going to hit them, and you basically want to pretend that they can't see you whenever you do anything. So do not do anything thinking they're going to see you and they're going to stop or anything like that, because they're not. That's the way it is. You know, cagers do not look out for bikes. And right here, this is something I hate, because there's always, hey, there's another bike. There's always idiots that don't know how to drive. They're going to fuck you up. Oh, my first biker to biker vlog is going to be on this damn sport bike. Oh. Oops. Damn. I didn't even hear this fucker crank back up. Damn. This thing's damn near too quiet. I'm wearing a full face helmet, leather vest on a sport bike. I know I look like a squid, but it'd be okay. Okay, and while I'm doing this, I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to Shinjaejune. She's a friend of mine, and she is a female moto vlogger that does vlogging on a Ninja 250, and she is a basically a beginning rider. She's been riding for a few months, and she is just coming a very long way as far as riding goes, and I am proud of her. And we have a running joke that I am in love with her, and it might not really be a joke. Okay, what are you doing? So yeah, go ahead and check out her channel. I'll put a link in the description box, and you can check her out because she is amazing, and I have traffic. Yeah, Shinjaejune, you know, it's just, you know, she's one of the best beginning vloggers I have found, and the only problem is some of the music she uses is a copyright violation, so I can't view some of her stuff on mobile. That is my only complaint about you. You need to not use music that you cannot view on mobile, because that's my main form of getting on YouTube, is mobile devices, my Android. So fix that.